Navigating the gym can prove challenging, not solely due to the demanding nature of getting fit. For some, the predicament arises from a lack of clarity about their workout regimen within those walls. From the gym ambiance to equipment usage, exercise routines, and even fitness trends, there's a lot to absorb. To aid both newcomers and seasoned gym-goers, here are 5 common rookie gym mistakes that warrant attention. First off, an over-reliance on machines is a common pitfall. Machines aren't inherently flawed. They do simplify various exercises and are generally user-friendly. However, their simplicity comes with drawbacks. Machines often cater to average height ranges, posing challenges for individuals either too tall or too short. Moreover, some machines follow unnatural movement paths, leading to discomfort during use. Free weights offer greater freedom and allow you to employ more natural movement patterns. Another disadvantage of machines is the lack of engagement of stabilizer muscles. Machines lock you into a stable position, negating the need for stabilizers to maintain balance and control. Free weights, in contrast, demand the involvement of these stabilizing muscles. While machines have their merits, it's essential to incorporate free weight exercises into your routine, particularly if overall fitness is your goal. Mistake number 2 involves an excessive focus on isolation exercises. Engaging in endless sets of bicep curls while gazing at your reflection might feel productive, but it's essential to recognize that fitness encompasses more than just well-defined arms. Single-joint isolation exercises like curls, side raises, and triceps pushdowns isolate specific muscle groups. Conversely, compound movements such as squats, deadlifts, and shoulder presses engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, resulting in more efficient workouts. Compound exercises also enable you to work with heavier weights, contributing to overall strength and muscle development. While isolation exercises serve a purpose, incorporating compound movements is equally crucial for a well-rounded routine. Next on the list is the tendency to stick exclusively to light weights. It's natural for beginners to hesitate when lifting heavy weights. However, avoiding heavier weights contradicts a vital fitness principle: progressive overload. This concept involves consistently increasing the demand on muscles to foster strength and muscle growth. While occasional weight increments are beneficial, they often fall short of tapping into your full potential. To achieve optimal results, especially in terms of building strength, studies emphasize the importance of lifting heavy weights. This translates to lifting weights that challenge you, perhaps allowing you to perform only 5 or 3 reps at most, or even just 1. Embrace this challenge and strive to surpass your previous achievements. Bid farewell to high repetition sets unless endurance is your sole focus. Number 4 involves a simple yet critical oversight: neglecting to bring a water bottle. This error isn't confined to beginners. Many people underestimate the significance of hydration. Considering that our bodies consist of about 2/3 water and that an average hour of exercise results in approximately 1 liter of sweat loss, staying adequately hydrated is paramount. Failing to replenish lost fluids can lead to dehydration, which manifests as muscle cramps, fatigue, poor concentration, and headaches, unwanted companions during physical activity. The remedy is straightforward: always carry a water bottle. Opting for your own bottle is preferable to relying on the gym's water fountain. In cases of intense or prolonged exertion, consider beverages like sports drinks or coconut water to restore lost electrolytes and energy stores. However, be mindful of added sugars and incorporate them thoughtfully into your overall diet. Last but not least, the 5th misstep involves a reluctance to seek assistance. While there's a prevailing notion of an antisocial atmosphere in the gym, shying away from soliciting fitness advice is counterproductive. Although unsolicited guidance may be discouraging, recognizing the need for help is crucial, particularly for beginners. Research consistently underscores the advantages of social and coaching support in achieving fitness goals. Having a mentor, coach, or supportive workout partner offers both motivation and education, propelling you toward success. While enlisting professionals like personal trainers is ideal, financial constraints can limit this option. In such cases, humility is key. Don't hesitate to ask for guidance when needed. Contrary to stereotypes, fellow gym enthusiasts are often eager to assist, empathizing with the challenges faced by beginners. With these 5 prevalent errors addressed, you're better equipped to embark on your gym journey. Hopefully, you've gleaned valuable insights to enhance your fitness pursuits. If you found this information beneficial, remember to express your appreciation by liking and subscribing for future content. As always, thank you for tuning in, and may your lifting endeavors be successful and protein-fueled. Thanks for watching.